7A. Oh, we go. Mutiara, Doña Leonora, final impact on the outside. It's now Doña Leonora, final impact, Mutiara, para sa amin, small town lady ninjitsu. And ring the fourth turn, final impact is now the leader, followed by Doña Leonora. Mutiara is racing into running four is para sa amin. Small town lady ninjitsu winning hand. And para goods order Chismis shooting Nelly Tarlac Intramuros as they race the final corner. Final impact by about 3 lengths. Doña Leonora para sa amin, Badra Mutiara. And small town lady winning hand ninjitsu para goods order. Final impact, Doña Leonora once again on the outside. Final impact, Doña Leonora on the outside. Going to be close between final impact, Doña Leonora. Then comes small town lady. Took third.